morning. I'm saying Yamwakwaba. Emerson, a good Munsemna, Yadia Broy, and of course, I had some toss. So there's a fata sautina and Opabia Bobo, no idea, bro, live, or Casafidi, so and Kidwana Gassani, Erica Sidu, Sergio Banucho, Bernard Padibuche, one more Ekahona, Yade Eba, na Yana. Bibri, Batane, Yadia Bro, Kingdom Herbal Center, one of the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, the Kingdom Garlic Capsules, and Quambia Sono, one of the Ken Wire Day and Savano, Brewo, Nafi Sono, Jensen Park Capsules, near me, my dear, Nafi, managing tremendous capsules, the Kashana Sosa, Efa Emame, Yadisia Kwankwana, or GamePackGames.com, but you pick one and pick four, and at Quambia Sono, Ese Odo Hojimo, pick one number, 1 to 9, we one number. And then Okopion pick 4 now we 4 numbers no this can go to but then 9 no draw back or 12 draw na 6 p.m. and so draw na Kwambias what this guy idea go bottom. The other to be about 28 times na the multiply amount na what me feel weekend ne pa na dia mo akwa make am some at the show on abasa na be sha say the feel English Premiership and we 2 games about so na Everton or Newcastle come here Newcastle and to me and say Newcastle form away nyina Everton ori no e bo ne 3 ehu pa Tottenham West Ham bo ne kam yenu a wotem baako yemongura games ne mo the course so those 2 games and say no to me say yes Kudus Mohamed touch shot a copy me and say koto ho matimi the 3 maximum points against Tottenham must be 5 games near Tottenham entimi enwini pressure ba almost start year pa but and they must start year jego na anje Shesa Basanema, Yesanema Besiako, on Iron Copium. This weekend, matches out of Basso, EPL, La Liga, Bundesliga, Italian Serie A, Tiamu Rum Nayanshe, send matches no AC at Honomo in the EPL, Crystal Palace, Liverpool, and the Bebuena, Brighton over Beyond Burnley. And the Adom Manchester United, ne Bournemouth, Bonasha Forest United, and the Brentford Wolves, the Nottingham Forest, na Aston Villa, and the Arsenal, and so the Abweni, we Saturday games now, consider Everton, the Chelsea, na face Fulham, and the West Ham United, and the Luton Town, and the Manchester City, na Spurs, and the Newcastle, at the Abo and Ni and T. Yaberesane, some match in the BCA after say, Tottenham Hotspur and West Ham boy, I'm fano. Na just at a phone for me, no, na lose some games are non boys. You ever the weekend, you be siako. Na yanko na yanko the Abacoso in the La Liga. Na yantress and yes, Real Madrid will be in action. And so Barcelona also and so by Bobo, Tafe, Valencia, Deportivo Alaves, UD Las Palmas, Real Betis, Real Madrid, not by Villarreal and Real Sociedad, Mallorca. And Sevilla, Atletico de Madrid, UDA Maria, Granada, and the Athletic Club Bilbao, Nafe Gadis, and Osasuna, Barca and Girona. Match in Girona. Stubborn team power, table no swab was one Magabakra. Kashan so said Man City for Girona Yamodia, the City Football Group, Omona Disca Kushimwenti, Omoya Rough, Spain, Rayo Vallecano, and so they started the Vigo at the Ebony in Spain. Now, Italy, Bebaso, and Germany, and of course, France, and the likes in the channel, and so, Emma now, Infunion correct. Yekoso and some Fufromo, but GamePackGames.com. I'm okay on adding some idea about 26 times. Sikabi Adabatu Subia, Udi Ediagu, Botomo, *946# *946#, GamePackGames.com. Or Google, Play Store and so on. I will download it now. I don't want to be Makoye and so the amount. The Black Queens of Ghana, Ababi Drew Maimo after some more qualifier for the AFCON. Now, Omobabi Pimo Kotoka International Airport, the GFA President, and FA Benefo Brian Ekushia Airport.
Tricky fixtures this weekend. Why? Because Media are third on the league log with 3 points minus 2 goals. Younger last on the log, 1 point minus 3 goals. I'm not looking up there. The two Northerners they will fight against each other.
Na maya ne beduru ye no na nya agro kura nipa pepia nkoma na kotwahia akotoka we mchenji na bia wa a GFA president on the ESCO members in a DNimu afe Ghana 43 and a munyina agigi mu a omukohia maya ifefefe Ghana ni mu omkote epagya ye franka ne konkon no isese ye hwe ni mu se Northampton ne ma ya ebeje o ma home kakra sa ho sesi ne hyase a o ma buru mu bojani no makopie Morocco na AFCON akensie yi o ma sa akogine.
Yeah, I mean, you need to understand that first we all give a lot of sacrifices for this work. We adore this game. We adore to play for Mother Ghana. You get a lot of pressure, and once it's released, of course, then there are emotions. That's the beauty of our sports, that we can also share those emotions with the spectators, we in the team. And for me, it was a big release, big work. Yeah, I'm just done.
Right, the Black Queens of Ghana, yeah, Mama Iko, yeah, Mama Kwaba, and to miss a reception in your bad at all. Yeah, Mama Philly say, oh my, the papa, yeah, Mama Ghana. Now, the task, no, yes, yeah, be AFCON, yet me acquired, yes, and saying kind of AFCON, you do I have semi final, yeah, the last time I bought AFCON, be 2018, a group stage in the film, yeah, Nora Uptel, and be to me, I am in Copio Media Sporting Club, and then Omujina Kono, Kumasi Baba, Yara Sports Stadium, Mama Younger, and boy, yeah, the CAF Champions League, and the better send a match in the BC press conference about so coach Evans Adote akasa say kwan bia so match no munim se beden but I'm here some the 3 maximum points.
Why? Because media man third on the league log with 3 points minus 2 goals. Younger last on the log 1 point minus 3 goals. I'm not looking up there. The two Northerners they will fight against each other. The league log speaks to me as a coach. They need to prepare or they need to set up, because at the tail end, 2 teams will qualify to the next round. So looking at the table, I can only say preparation is ongoing. I have respect for my opponent. Younger is a team, I've met them before, I played them before, years back, 2016 if my memory serves me right. But encountering them this time around, I've observed them. Well, they're a good side, I must say. The pitch tomorrow will decide as to who carries the day. But to me as a coach, once I need to come up there, I have to prepare well. Younger is not coming here for just coming sick. They are here for a purpose, and the purpose is to ensure victory. So like I said, I know Younger, they are very good side, I respect them. I would as a coach will never...
Right. Coach Evans Adote, the game in the 4 p.m. over Yara Sports Stadium. Now, say Dreams Force Dom the best over the weekend. And listen, about a Ghanaian Premier League match day 14 now on this weekend. Yamon send fixtures no see here. The biggest of the fixtures the Super Clash Basso on Sunday. I send here. House of Oak. And in my time, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Memenda. Rachna Nations near Adriana Stars nebo summer testing Heart of Lions in Swatemane Karela Brekum Chelsea in Great Olympics Glegon Cities and RTU became United in Accra Lions Mediema game near 2 ashada on ebo for SNK ebo and Dreams also African in Tinkoni Gold Stars to 2 no ashada etienhwe House of Folk Kotoko Obaba Nyara Sports Stadium 3 p.m. Kwasida the has airbo Kumasi ne se enkan ye bo concert o nti the sports authority says na Olympics for more can it be more boro to kohwe niam ya hye no pitch ne so achema bedwane badaja ben na uni stadium asa anti Kumasi na House of Folk mo sese a omo bomb games aka na nyina anti ka hye no so afam na wona yankombo nromu ne nhwe de ekoso wo Songo State Songo adjoin me the man Patrick Osajeman countryman Songo man what's man kind of pay ya mwakwa ba de ba we can see so na po bedwam so ommerenie the Songo Stick, Danny, I heard on a pay.
Yeah, fabulous morning, and then we 2 things. Yeah, but quick one, Senya Okase, Yashisha system, or a National Sports Stadium, the Babel concert, I class for me more. Yeah, I talk say via all African games, Senya almost 1 year renovation or an Hammer or more exclusive up stadium, and I said, still a year renovation during December, no. Christmas festivity no na ayom tofo anase ye de ye dance in a concert over there. There's a minimum how well renovation a bit me across yama yet me handing over facilities December na omo ekano na omo timiama ye who say all African games a bit me day across fantastic for Ghana say channel say ye di my host ye ntimi ena ye kwesre for more a coin and I say be a time said the bear is bit me host 2024 so say the idea to and Japan and said 2024 a bit me a basudia not ye host to and ye hosting ye now ye making sure say facilities on point international correct facilities and yet Buja Bia facilities Bia I mean we didn't say a of that quality right after tournament and that's be a competition we won't send our facilities they are fading out maintenance culture already your maintenance culture as a problem with crew not just saying to me I was here winner I mean facility and as a facilities about very waste and yes but say after all African games facilities a bit me improve your sportsmen.
Hello, Songo.
More medals, titles. You understand? You bit me more sportsmen and women. Bit me compete a day Amagana na bit me a day. Dani Dangina Amagana Dina a day. Aquaconanim. So I praise all African games, facilities, I mean, will be that quality. Yes, I mean, when we are not meeting time now. Yeah, go compare. Be a China made, and I say Singapore made, and I say Thailand made. Great in Utum say, and you of that quality. You understand now? Low class, and no maybe not. Yeah, the Ababe facility for all African game. No. Now 91 days. Vice President. Mama now launch all African games, 100 days. 100 days, a Swati, 91 days now. 91 days, facilities in here ready. Okolegon, a stadium a no man you're ready. Tartan tracks and you're ready. Tartan tracks in my in baby a free bar. How quality is that Tartan tracks? Oko Botimana, almost 70%. Woman we are honest, I know. Stadium now we see was Batu Rema. Utim say also and you're complete. You understand? And I mean also sooner the most events do one habit my day are taking place at Transport Stadium there. I mean the least said because I also washroom in Kunyane just a stadium Nagasano. I mean in good shape and that's a good point. Say in for tournament of such nature. I mean, the rest of the of Africa never. It is sports minister near and you make it sure say. I mean, everything is on point. If you lose more your organization, that's the facilities you are. What are you organizing? It you women they've got a job to do.
Right, Songo, bueno, as a breaky kaka, online ni mo, ay chichi ano pay. Yeah, well, as a nya bad feed, edify countryman Songo, nya bad feed, I feed, right. Okay, I think, or on Songo bet matwaso.
Very good to make.
I have feed them.
Yeah, so what I was
Right, right. And Songo area hono chichi kakra. I say Brunya ne bantim from anymore. When I
Vice President.
Songo Temega.
It's
Brunya from Mana, Brunya from Mana. Te fa Songo si asanse. Sane Brunya from Mana bonwa you know. But this time I think I'll penocra started but it says so the weather hey senka ye hu peka kra hu peka kra tamani ma sa shika kra bi nyunyu shishi ntinde ni bisa no but say dem say bronya na o afa ne ho adwen ye nyina so na ena no pay yemfa ensem no ensi ba share so gamepackgames.com it say pick one number pick one OU favorite number from number 1 to number 36 na what discard ya go bottom what is Kadia go bottom when yasam get to acquire to this week meet me up plan and Macaso. I'm not sure about this week or in a three. Was Sunday 3 home quamians, Titreno, and ye no bet in my factory one treno, Namidi, let him. I said just strategic movement. So I was an ambassador. Aha, would you try idea? Pick 4 4 numbers now can be a son and so what made this Kadia go bottom and all the better be at times 26. Wow. And star 946 hash. On our networks, and also bet me call on website gamepackgames.com. App stores also Gamepack more games. Now say what download the natches they be how they new casta they be out that's why no try that more mula more power and a Gamepack for a day man no so than China Kingdom Heba Center a day one more in Rupapana Badwam so say na me boy na garlic bitters Badwam can be also immune system no. Jan nice on ya stubborn Arabia na betete obi abronya na eba no ntimi twa enum kakra capsules no so obo a ntimi mene opebites na wanom bites also apamene amene no ntafrata ne ade no obi ade o mu ne ade a jensen pack capsules no eye mema na dro gira nine so one code no eye code yeah he wale party men only ma ba konom Kingdom jensen pack capsules tremendous capsules na ma de ma oya obasima everywhere be neat. Tremendous capsules. Kingdom for the real estate more say there. Home estate. About the back Kingdom home estate. Then be a opibia or ubenyebi or makachi or coupon and a more to say bri a coupon from another different color. Eti patroni or motion commerce Kingdom home estate. But from 053 614 9961 053 614 9961 and 0303 939 987. Makui yes ya konkon and payna. Yadin Sabano at the Ebro, Mr. Ebenezer Kwabenadu, Keadu Gas Oven and Stove Company, Kumase, Mr. Ebenezer Kwabenadu. Fantastic morning, and come on, Papa, oh, Yajma song. They say I stove this, will be a gentleman. And yes, me, direct Ampadu, stove, no, zero, so I know, fion, man of the Taraso 10 nibi, call one word and a part 10 stove. Wow, Keadu, fantastic morning. I was here, Kejuana Kasani, Eric, I see.